Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to change your profile picture in the Netflix app. Let's get started. Open the Netflix app on your smartphone and make sure you're signed in to your account. By opening the Netflix app on the homepage, Netflix will ask you to select your profile. By selecting your profile on the next page in the lower right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture and then click on it. Clicking on your profile will open a new page where you will find 3 lines in the upper right corner of the screen that you will click on. A small window will open where you will find the Manage Profiles option in the drop-down menu and click on it. Then select your profile again by clicking on it. The application will open a new page where you will also click on your profile picture. This is where the magic happens. As you can see, the Netflix application offers you a large selection of profile pictures, mostly from popular series that are on this application. All you have to do is choose your new profile picture by clicking on it. Your profile picture will now be updated with the new avatar you chose. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily change your profile picture on the Netflix app. It's a quick and fun way to personalize your Netflix experience. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.